What you making there, babe?
Cutting apples for an apple
Apple,
thing
apple turnover.
Yeah.
without the turnover.
What kind of knife did you steal out of my pocket there?
Columbia River knife.
All right, guys, this is John here, and I'm showing you the Columbia River Knife and Tool M16 knife. And we carry these as our everyday carry. They're great little knives. We've been carrying them for about a year now. They just flip out, and they're just a handy, small little knife. They fit, right in, your pocket. And I can't say enough about them. They're just great little knives. We have these. This is our favorite one. As you can see, we have two of them. This is the one Dominique has carried, and you might have seen it in some of our fishing ones where she'll forget her fillet knife sometimes, and it's got the serrated edge with the tonneau blade, and it's been a good knife, and she's filleted fish with it and uses it for getting cut bait. Yeah, it's just she's used it quite a bit, but she also prefers the other blade type. But they're just good knives. We're here on the South Fork of the Salmon River, and like I said, we use these everywhere we go, and we definitely recommend these knives. So the Columbia River knife, the M16, they're great knives. You can get a shot of that there. The M16-01S, and it's a Carson design. So it's a great knife. If you guys are looking for a little everyday carry knife, we highly recommend it. We use them a lot. We love them. So I hope this helps you guys out. All right, John's using the Columbia River tool and knife to notch his 2017 turkey tag. So let's see that knife there, Johnny. Nice. That's one of our favorite knives. October. Taught the kid everything I know. Alright guys, we got the little Columbia River knife and tool. M16. Anyway, little John, my son, just shot this beautiful hen turkey. And we're going to breast it out real quick, and we will make stir fry out of this beautiful bird. See, this knife is razor sharp and goes right through. Does an excellent job. Alright, there you go. Great little knife.